All right, and now it's time for a fly rod update. You may or may not know, but I started up my own business in July making fly rods. I designed a fly rod that truly is easier to cast. We use a carbon fiber parabolic power taper. It's a moderately fast action blank, and just like we talked about earlier in this video, fly rods are not all created equal. The blank can make or break a fly rod. We have an excellent blank that's easy to cast. And I tell you, I've owned a lot of other brands of fly rods, and not disparaging those other brands, there's some really good brands out there, but a lot of times if you're trying to buy a fly rod built to this specification, right, using all high-end components, we even hand turn the handles. These corks are glued together, put on a lathe, and completely hand turned to the fly rod. I don't know very many people that do that today, but this is very custom. Each fly rod is unique to the owner that buys them. So it's a pretty cool heirloom piece that you're buying that's built to last a lifetime. To get this in a name brand and this performance and these components, you're spending well over $1,000. If you're buying something custom, you're spending even more than that. And I would encourage you to check out fishonrods.com in the FFD series of fly rods. I think you'll be happy. We have over 100 happy customers so far that have purchased these rods. And I encourage you to take a look at the reviews, because that's really the best way to gauge anything that you buy, is what people say about them. And everyone that has purchased a FFD fly rod is really happy with not only the quality, but the performance of this particular fly rod. I've also added a few extra things on the website. I built a box, so I get a lot of comments about what flies do you use, what are your favorite flies? So I built a box, I hand-picked these flies. So I've got a waterproof double-sided fly box that has 36, get that right, 36 flies in there that I have hand chosen for trout, from dry flies to big terrestrials to streamer patterns to smaller midges, things like that. These are all flies that I've used over the years to find success. So that is on my website as well. Every box comes with a sticker, and I'm always adding some new and cool things on the website. Jeff, my buddy, is still making these custom fly boxes, live edged. Each one is also unique to itself. So a lot of cool stuff on the website, and love to have you check it out to see what's new. And sign up for my newsletter, so if I ever add something new, because there are some things coming in the future that you might want to know about, subscribe to my newsletter. And again, it's not a bot. You're not going to get spammed. If you get an email, it's coming from me. So I don't want you to worry about that. I don't share any information and that type of thing. This is just for our own little group. All right, so thanks for joining me today on this video. And until the next time, go get yourself a new fly rod and fish on.